Hi everyone. First of all, Merry Christmas. Today is the 25th of December 2023 when I'm filming this, and really when I did this, except for I wrote things in pencil throughout the week this week. And I'm not going to change it because it could change again. I don't know. But anyway, today is Monday the 25th and it is Christmas Day, so Merry Christmas. So I used up some of the stickers from the holiday sticker pack that I had from Happy Planner, um, and ones that were appropriate. I really wanted to use the snowman, but it's going to be like 50 some degrees Fahrenheit today, so no snow today. And no snow tomorrow, and actually, Wednesday, I think we're supposed to get rain. So anyway, so Santa was in there, and I just put the ho ho ho, and then these reindeer and stuff were off a different sheet, and then these three were on a different sheet. So I used those. Family photos, I think, was on the same sheet as this or this. I can't remember. And this one just says "Making Merry." So today, this is very early in the morning. Today, we go to my daughter's house for Christmas breakfast and gift exchange there. I'll go through the week here first. Tomorrow, I am planning on um, making some more jewelry with the December bargain bead box and doing a video for that. And Wednesday, I have to design with the December Potomac beads because I didn't do anything with that yet. And I already received January's, by the way. And I had to prepare a tutorial video for that one. And I want to do more designing with that same box and share all my finished pieces in another video and do laundry on Thursday. Friday, I need to organize my craft room. I need to clean up my bead desk and area around it on the floor, etc., etc. I need to clean up my planner cart and get rid of some stuff, and because I want to use one of the shelves out of the three in that for jewelry stuff, like finished pieces. The floor inside my craft door has a bunch of stuff on it, and that needs to go. It's kind of dangerous. I need to organize my finished cards, which are in boxes and bins to my left right now. And I need to organize my Stampin' Up! Papers. Some of them are on the floor next to me that I've been using, but they're kind of falling off the shelf I have them on, and I've stored them in a combination of different kinds of folders, but mostly these, I forget who these are by. I think it said, oh, Cropper Hopper, but it's another name now, I think. Anyway, you see, that's like scraps. So, yeah, I have the ones that are scrappy that I want to use, I kind of have on the floor here next to me. I am changing things up for 2024 in my lineup of videos, but I'll go over that next week because January 1st is New Year's Day, but also the next Plan With Me. Now, Lene at Fashionably 50 something and beyond is not going to do the open collab in 2024, the Plan With Me Monday, which is fine. I'm going to continue doing planning, I think, as long as I can, because it helps keep me on track, or at least know where I'm getting off track. Saturday, I'm going to do some planning for a bead along with me on January 1st. I'm going to do that, I think, twice a month, the first of the month, and I have to pick the other day still. This I wrote January 2nd. I have a doctor's appointment because I didn't want to forget it. But I put it in ink, unfortunately. I'm going to do the Plan With Me for the first week of, I put February. You see, my brain is not. I meant January. See, luckily it's in pencil. Oop, that won't work. Here's a pencil. This is why I do pencil lately. And, video on both channels, the Plan Ahead 2024. I need to do that video, but it may not go up until the 1st. I did leave some space down here in notes. I whited out the other two because I feel like I'm going to write a little bit about Christmas Day, probably. And of course, this is New Year's Eve on the 31st, so we have two major, well, New Year's to me is not a major thing anymore because, and I always kind of don't like it because within a week after that, I will be a year older, which at my age, I guess it's a good thing, but yeah, no more birthdays, please, but still leave me living. So anyway, that's what I have going on for the week of the 25th through the 31st of 2023, end of 2023. And this is the last page in this happy planner. This is the last page in the happy planner dashboard layout is what I was trying to say. All right, everyone. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a wonderful Christmas and also best wishes for a safe, happy, and healthy New Year 2024. And I thought I'd do this because this is the first time I ever used press-on nails. They feel weird. I just put them on this morning, and I think I got this one a little crooked, but I don't know. I know one thing. I will not be able to be doing the jewelry, so sometime, well, probably by tomorrow, these are probably going to have to come off because I don't think I can make jewelry with them on. How do you guys do it with the long nails and the fake nails and stuff? I don't know. But I can't be twisting wire and yeah, I know. Even doing some of these, I had to peel this sticker up and I had to use my pokey tool, which tore the corner because I got them on crooked. Yeah, not easy. And my regular nails are a mess. They're real soft right now for some reason, so probably doing too many dishes and stuff like that. Anyway, I digress. So, yeah, what do you think? Did I do okay? They're not red or green or anything, but I didn't want to get a bright color because if they last me any length of time, I thought these would be good for New Year's too. All right, everyone, take care. Have a wonderful holiday and Happy New Year. Bye.